welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are going to be showing y'all glimpses of just fun, outdoorsy landscaping, like outdoor living ideas. So we're going to be going to my sister-in-law's house just to get a little brief tour of her front porch and her back patio, because she recently redid it all, or not even redid it, she decorated it all, because they just moved in. They just got married last September, and so they were ready to do their outside, and it is just so pretty and matches her personality. It's so cute. So I wanted to share with y'all that. And then also we're gonna be going to my mom and dad's house. Whenever we did my mom's spring home tour, y'all saw that her and my dad like ripped up all of their landscape and started over. And so we've been working on that, and I wanted to show y'all, I guess, kind of like a phase one. So they got a lot done, but there's still a few more things that she wants to change to it. So I'm thinking if y'all are interested, I will share it again, hopefully whenever everything is in bloom, and then some of the other smaller projects are completed. But I thought that we would just go ahead and share with y'all kind of a set of phase one of it, so you can see what it looks like. And everybody, I feel like, is out in their yards getting their gardening in, and so I wanted to share that with y'all, and then hopefully it'll inspire some of y'all, because whenever you are redoing landscaping, or if you are in a newly built home and you go in to plant your landscape, it is not going to look phenomenal. It will look a lot better than the dirt and maybe the old shrubs and all that you used to have, but everything is not going to be, unless you splurge and get the plants that are already like really mature. We kind of get the ones that are smaller, so it's more budget friendly, and put them in the ground and then feed them, water them, and then watch them grow and bloom. And so I wanted this video to kind of encourage y'all to see kind of the process of what it looked like before. And it is a transformation, and it does look beautiful, but it's going to be even more beautiful whenever everything starts growing. And so I wanted y'all to see that right whenever you put everything in the ground and start working on your landscape, it's not going to be just big and beautiful. It is going to take time. Before we leave to go do all the touring, we are going to go inside and make a quiche. And so I love making quiches, especially around this time of year, and I cannot wait for my garden to come and bloom, where I can use my own spinach and tomatoes and peppers. But for now, we're going to use the store-bought. And now I have chopped everything up and placed it on this little tray that I bought from our local antique shop, Rustic Relics. And I have everything separated out, ready to go. This is so easy to do. It actually made two. The recipe I'm using comes from the the Joanna Gaines cookbook, and I use her cookbook all the time. I've made homemade biscuits out of it that are super easy and super yummy. And so this one, as you saw, was just like some basic vegetables, and I always add just whatever vegetables I want to into this, but I just go by this recipe because it's the easiest. This recipe actually said that it would make one quiche, and it made two. So I'm gonna freeze one, eat on one this week, and one for next week. And baby boy has loved this. I also wanted to share with y'all my Caraway pots and pans. I've shared them on here with y'all several times, but they actually gave me a discount for all of you guys to use. So it's a promo code. You can click it in the description below. There will be a link. You can just click it and shop anything on their website, but it does expire the 24th, I believe. And so I wanted to share that with y'all one more time in case y'all were interested. These pots and pans, I've told y'all, I've also got the bacon accessories now, and it is just so incredible how easy they are to work with. They are truly non-stick and they are non-toxic, and so you'll see whenever I get through cooking how we just can just use hot water and just rinse everything out of this. I have had these pots and pans for over a year, and they look brand new. They come in lots of different colors, and I love how they look so beautiful and organized under your cabinets. So these are by far my favorite and my family's favorite cookware ever. And so I would love to share it with y'all again. And with Mother's Day coming up around the corner, it would be a perfect Mother's Day gift for your mother, or for yourself if you're a mother. So add it to your Mother's Day gift list. I know I share a lot with y'all in links on my channel, but I really only share the companies and products that I love, and these are some of my hands down favorite. Look at this. Of course I use soap to wash it out, but you could seriously just use hot water and rinse it out. It just glides right out so easy. So the quiches are now done, and I did try them and they are delicious, and so I cannot wait to eat on these all week. This is their front porch, and I was with her. We went and got her patio furniture from Lowe's. So this little set was very inexpensive. They actually had different tables and chairs that you could mix match, but she decided to go with the all black, and she also got these pillows from Lowe's and this beautiful plant. And this is their back patio. It is so cute. I love this little dining room outdoor table that she got from Lowe's, along with these pillows. They are so sweet. This is so comfortable. We've already had lots of little dinner parties out here, and then she put up some hanging baskets, and I think she wants to put a swing over here somewhere as well. She also put this beautiful little basket up under her kitchen window, and then she put like a little bar cart out here with some beautiful flowers and some fresh herbs, so she has some mint and things that she can put in her teas and her water, and it just is so cute out here. So if you've been on my channel a while, then you definitely remember this tiki bar. Addison actually came up with this design and helped her brother, my husband Drew, build this, and it used to stay at their parents' house. Well, she brought it over here, and it is so cute. So we have this little fountain on it that I gifted her for her birthday, and then also this little sign that lights up that says bar, and she added string lights, and she also added some flowers. She decorates this for every season, and it's just the cutest thing. Okay, the next stop of the day, we are going to my parents' house. So I'm going to share with y'all a little before of what their landscape looked like, and then we'll go into the after, and I'll share with y'all some of the other ideas that we have for their outdoor space. So these chairs actually live on my parents' back porch, but we brought them up front just to kind of give us an idea of a sitting area that we wanted to do in their front yard. Mom and Dad's only had these little front porch stairs for us to sit on, and so Mom wanted to come up with a little sitting area where we can enjoy sitting in their front yard. So I hope whenever you see their little sitting area that they came up with, that it encourages y'all, if you have a small front porch too, to find a way in your front yard to make a little sitting area where you can enjoy not only your backyard but your front yard too. So now Mom and Dad have ripped up the rest of their landscaping. Mom and I have went to Petals, we've bought everything new, and they're putting it into place. So here is a first look at their landscape. So these are some hostas that we added to the front of their beds. Mom loves hostas, and so we just lined the front bed with these. And then also back here we added in 2 boxwoods, or 3, 1 there and 2 over here, and these are evergreen. And then also she added this little pot that she had with some lamb's ear and verbena that should trail out. And then in the front right here we added 3 bobo hydrangeas. They won't get too big, but they'll put off beautiful white blooms. And then in her bird bath, she has a clematis that blooms purple, and sadly it's already bloomed out. And then she also has just a potato vine in here, but I think that she's going to add another purple plant. And then also we're debating on whether we should paint this bird bath or keep it as is. So y'all let us know in the comments down below. Over here is the little sitting area. So they found this little bistro set off of Amazon. While Mom was planting plants, my dad and I were looking on Amazon for a little bistro set that we thought would hold up well out here. And so we just have a little pot with some lavender on it. And then over here, I believe these are called distiliums, and they will get big and cascade. And then this clematis will not stay here. We're going to move it somewhere else. And this wall mount for this water hose will be taken off the wall also. This is a Confederate jasmine Mom bought new. And then she also has one over here that she's going to dig up and replant right beside it. And then she's going to add like a wall structure like this on this brick wall, and it is going to be beautiful, and it will smell so good. So I'm excited to see that. And then right here in this bed, we have it lined with white lantanas, and they will be beautiful. These are ground cover and fill up the rest of this garden bed. here on their front porch, she has this little mailbox, and so we want to add a little wicker basket and put some flowers in it, and I really think it'll help bring this front porch together. We're gonna go on the other side of their house, and she did replant some of the plants that she already had in her landscape. So she moved them over here. She is going to repaint this Adirondack chair. Did I say that right? She's gonna repaint that, and everything has water on it right now because she just got through watering everything. This was on her front porch and she added over here. This will be so beautiful. It always gets so big and cascades down. It will just be a beautiful pop of color over here by their garage doors. Again, remember they did just plant everything into the ground, and so it is going to take time for everything to get big and bloom, but hopefully we can come back in a couple of months and y'all can see another update. These were also planted in her front landscape, and she dug them up and brought them over here and put them around this tree. I cannot remember what these are, but they do just multiply and they put off a beautiful purple bloom, so that is going to be gorgeous under this tree. Again, their house is going to be so pretty and I cannot wait to see it. And there's no better way to end a day in the garden than your grandma bringing over a piece of homemade lemon pie. So thanks, Grandma, for this. It was delicious and so refreshing. Well, that is all for today's video. I hope that y'all enjoyed those fun outdoor living ideas. I hope that it inspired y'all and gets you excited about gardening and getting out and making your own little cozy place to do some outdoor living. Also, let me know in the comments down below. I know a lot of people have already been able to garden. I know where I'm at. I'm in Central Alabama. Pretty much I start doing my garden cleanup and some planting in March, but they say we can do full-on gardening starting Good Friday weekend, so Easter weekend. And so we got a lot of things in the ground, as you saw in one of my last videos, our cottage garden videos. I would like to know in the comments down below where you're from, what state you're from, what part of the country you're from, and maybe let us know what time of the year you start gardening, because I know everything's so different. I know on my last cottage garden video, a lot of you were saying that y'all still had snow, and I'm just very glad and thankful that I live where I live, because I don't want to see snow all the time. We did not even get snow this year. We got a little bit of flurries, and it is so exciting here whenever it does snow, but I'm thankful that I was born here and raised here where we get a longer time to garden. Also, you can probably see behind me a little sneak peek. So I've been telling y'all that we're going to be doing a back patio refresh part 2. So we're going to be adding more decorations and stuff out here. I think we're going to be doing that towards the end of April. So be sure to hit that subscribe button to see how this patio is coming together. Drew and I have been hanging out here every day whenever he gets home from work. Every evening we eat supper out here. We actually have a really nice area to sit and eat, and so if you follow me on Instagram, I've been sharing a little bit of sneak peeks of what our patio looks like, and I just love it and I cannot wait to share it with y'all. I have a few more things that I want to do, and then we're going to be sharing that video with you guys. So be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, and let my parents know and Addison and Dylan know how much that you love their little outdoor living areas. It means so much to me whenever you do hit that thumbs up or comment down below. It's a huge help and a very easy and free thing that you can do. Any YouTubers out there that you enjoy watching, if you give these videos a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you find yourself coming back to the channels that you love, definitely hit the subscribe button, and then comment down below. That is such a big help and huge support to our channels, and we appreciate it more than y'all know. And our little community here has grown so much over the last few years, and I am so thankful for y'all, and I love making new friends and meeting new faces. I actually have a lot of places around town and at Petals from the Past, which is a plant nursery, where we do meet and greets. There's a lot of YouTubers in Alabama getting together. That's going to be doing a meet and greet at Petals from the Past, which is a plant nursery right in Central Alabama. It's happening this coming weekend. I will link all that information down below if you're local or if you want to come visit. There may be some people that you watch on YouTube that you would love to come see. I know a lot of y'all said that y'all were coming to see me, and so I'm really excited. We did that last year and I got to meet a lot of y'all, and even though I know my channel is not huge, I feel like over 40,000 is a lot of people. I am so thankful for each and every one of y'all, and really thankful for the ones that even take the time to come and visit our small town. I'm a small town girl. I lived here all my life, married my high school sweetheart. My mom and dad are high school sweethearts. His mom and dad are high school sweethearts. Both of our sisters married their high school sweethearts. Am I missing someone? So yeah, all small town, and I just love it so much. I love getting to share our small town with y'all. And whenever y'all come and visit us, our community loves it so much. So thank y'all so much again for being here with me. I'm sorry for being so chatty. We just have a lot of fun things coming up in our small town that we're going to be doing, and I cannot wait to share that with y'all, and I don't want y'all to miss out. I hope that y'all have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, friends.